Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing something really nice and useful, which is a backpack which I have been kindly sent by a Swedish company called gastonluga. And I've heard that this company they do, and I've actually seen on their website, they do like really nice range of backpacks. Usually it's like small backpacks or any kind, and really quite a range to choose from. And recently I was contacted by them, and then I had to choose one, and I went for a basic one. So let's just unpack it. Actually opened the box, and first of all, they've sent me this little pouch, which is an additional one, and it is so handy. You can keep it, like use it for travel purposes, put all the makeup, extra makeup stuff in it, and it's so nice and useful. You can't have enough pouches like this. So yeah, and then the main bit, which is this, and we'll be just taking out. So yeah, this is it. It's in a basic black brown color. The model is called classic black brown, and I went for this one because although there were like other ones which are quite tiny and cute, and I could have used them, but this will be used more, as you can use it for travel, like going for like little trips, and it's quite spacious, so it could be used as well for carrying stuff, like even for work sometimes. So yeah, and so there is, in the front there is this buttons which you just open it, and there is a zip in the front, little pocket, and then yeah, and in the front there are these two buttons. Again, it does look like it's this tie kind of thing, but it is having these magnetic buttons, which is quite good. Then it has this tie string in the front, and inside also they have a logo, and inside is all burgundy and kind of foam, all foam inside, so that will be quite good and sturdy. And inside there are some pockets. So that is it. That is the one pocket, and yeah, and there are few more, like two more tiny ones at the side, like that, and then there's big one in here. Yeah, that's the big one, and then there are tiny ones, two here, and that's the big one. So yeah, quite spacious and good. I think even if you have like a tiny laptop, you can fit it in, like a MacBook or even other one. The material is not waterproof. It is kind of cloth, sturdy cloth kind of material. And at the top there is another handle. The base has four these studs to just put it on the floor, and at the back also there is another tiny pocket. So yeah, a lot of pockets and very big, spacious. And I've just removed the tags from behind, which had put these tags in secure, and just let me try it. So yeah, looks good. Can't wait to use it and like utilize it fully, because usually there are so many bags I have, but spacious bags are really needed when you go for trips and all. So thank you gastonluga for actually sending me this. I really like it. You can check out their company if you're looking for a sturdy, nice backpack with a lot of variety to choose from, and you can also use my discount code, which I'll be linking in the description box. So until next time, take care, keep smiling, bye.